Oh shit! Oh wait. Did you just shoot me?
I just clicked back onto my screen, sorry. I'm just gonna start adventuring out, looking for some shit. Okay, I'm on comms now.
Jason. You. There's something waiting outside the wall. On your left. That's a dead body. You don't see that person standing there? That's Calvin. Oh, that's Calvin? What the hell is he doing outside? What the fuck?
These goofballs. Looks like we stumbled upon a camp. Kill confirmed.
Hello.
I was just doing recon. Alright, everything's looking really nice. Very beautiful guys. Good job. Good job, morning crew.
Shit, wait, hold on, wait. Go, harvest this one, shit. Sorry. 3, 2, 1, go. What the fuck?
Ah, we're dead. We're dead. What happened? What was that noise?
The power. There's one more behind the wall.
This one?
I'm chilling on there, bro.
Yeah, it's kind of treacherous over here.
Oh, so we finna battle. Okay. Make one more step on your dead, buddy.
Bro, I can see Shaden fighting someone. Keep fighting, Shaden!
I got his head. Oh, headshot. Nice, bro. How nice. Another Shade Boy solo adventure. Bitch. one of you guys have a shovel?
No, we need to get the breather and stuff. You got that, yeah, Shaden?
No, I don't.
The breather?
No.
Shit, we gotta go, what is that, North Cave?
Can I set markers on the map?
Yeah, you can. You know the, GPU stuff? GPS? Trans shit, whatever. You can put it on top of a stick. When you put the stick on the ground, vertical wise.
It's a bundle of sticks. Sound play. Let's do this. Just because I was trying to jump, bruh. Enjoy this, bitch. You're all fucking pussy. All I have done in this game is murder the native people. I guess I can do some actual work.
Can you try land it near the sleds? Alright.
Oh, nice. Oh, sharpshooter.
Yes.
Oh, sharpshooter, this guy.
Aim more left.
Hey, brother, what you doing here, guys? Hey, brother, you gonna be here, guys? Hey, brother. Hey, brother, you gonna be here, guys? Hey, you gotta go, brother. Okay, just the hardware then. Okay, fuck. One shot. Come here, bitch. How am I not dead, bruh? Oh, fuck this. I'm out. I'm out. seriously need to get the fuck out of here, dude. Okay, let's go ourselves into the
What happened?
oh, Slipknot.
Oh, Slipknot, goated music.
For real.